Okay, so let's dive into this one. If you've been scrolling, Instagram, TikTok lately,
Oh, yeah.
you have almost certainly seen ads for the Synoshi Power Spin Scrubber. It's this cordless thing, right?
Hmm.
And the ads promise deep cleaning with like almost zero effort. No more bending, no scrubbing on your knees. That's the pitch.
Right. The big promise.
So our mission for you today really is to just cut through all that social media noise. Is it a miracle tool? Is it just, overhyped? Or is it actually some kind of scam?
And let's be clear right off the bat. The product itself, it's real. It definitely exists.
Okay, good. So you get something.
Yeah. You get a physical device. It works. It's got a rechargeable battery. Comes with different brush heads.
Yeah.
And there's that handle, the extension handle for, awkward spots like shower corners or walls.
And the initial feedback seems, well, pretty positive. We saw almost 4,000 reviews.
Yeah, around that number. And the average was hovering about 4.2 stars.
Yeah.
A lot of people saying it saves time, less effort.
Which sounds great.
Especially people mentioned being good. If they had mobility issues, back pain, that sort of thing, not having to kneel down.
Okay, but wait, 4.2 stars? That's pretty high. It's just most people are quite happy. So where's the catch? Are we maybe looking at this too cynically?
Well, that's the thing, isn't it? It's fascinating. Those 4.2 stars, they seem to be mostly about the convenience factor. It is easier than bending, sure.
Okay.
But when you dig into the actual, detailed complaints, they consistently focus on two main areas.
Which are?
Performance and transparency, or lack thereof.
For the power, that big, effortless cleaning promise.
Exactly. People found the motor just wasn't strong enough for, really stubborn dirt, baked on grime, tough stuff. It kind of stalls or just doesn't cut it when you need real scrubbing power.
So it's sold like it can replace elbow grease, but it performs more like a quick wipe down tool.
Pretty much a light maintenance tool,
Yeah.
which is fine. But it's a huge gap between the marketing hype and the reality for many users.
That makes sense. And the transparency part, you mentioned hidden costs.
Yeah, that was another big one.
Yeah.
Lots of people felt misled. They thought they were buying the whole set, everything shown in the ads.
But they weren't.
Often that crucial extension handle or maybe specific brush heads they wanted, they actually cost extra. You had to really read the fine print during checkout.
Okay. That's annoying. And what about like delivery or customer service? Any issues there?
Yes, those complaints definitely popped up too. Slow shipping times, difficulty getting responses from customer service if there was a problem. It adds to the frustration.
Right. So when you see these consistent user complaints, especially about the core promises, you start looking elsewhere, right? Like formal checks.
Exactly. We look beyond user reviews to the institutional watchdogs. And that's where things get quite a bit more concerning.
Yeah, they really do. First stop, Scam Advisor. What did we find?
Well, weirdly, they're currently hiding the trust rating for this Synoshi website.
Hiding it? Why?
Their explanation is, and I quote, due to legal considerations and at the demand of the cost owner of the website.
Whoa. Okay, that's not a good sign. That's a huge red flag right there.
It really is concerning. And then you look at the Better Business Bureau, the BBB.
And let me guess. Not great.
Not great, is putting it mildly. They have an F rating.
An F? Wow.
Yeah, and the BBB says it's mainly because of unresolved customer complaints. Plus, issues with their advertising, those unsubstantiated marketing claims we talked about. So the official bodies are basically backing up what the user complaints suggest. The company overpromises and underdelivers, and maybe doesn't handle complaints well. That seems to be the picture, yes.
Okay, so let's try and pull this together for you listening. The Synoshi Power Spin Scrubber. It is a real product. It works. It's not an outright scam where you pay and get nothing.
Correct. It functions.
But, and it's a big but, it is absolutely not the miracle, effortless, deep cleaning machine shown in those slick social media ads.
Definitely not. It's useful for, say, light tasks. Quick wipe of the sink, maybe surface cleaning on some shower tiles if they aren't too bad. Small jobs.
So the key takeaway here is managing your expectations. If you buy this, don't expect it to tackle heavy-duty grime or replace serious scrubbing for tough jobs.
You'll likely be disappointed by the motor's power, if that's what you're hoping for. It's about convenience for light cleaning, not deep cleaning power.
And absolutely, read the fine print before you buy. Make sure you know exactly what's included in that price to avoid those surprise extra costs for handles or brushes.
Crucial advice.
So, wrapping up, it's convenient for light tasks, but definitely not professional-grade power. And maybe this whole thing, the F rating from the BBB, the Hidden Scam Advisor score, it raises a bigger question for you to think about.
Yeah.
How much should you trust slick social media advertising, even with lots of seemingly positive reviews, when more formal consumer protection bodies are raising serious flags about the company's practices and claims? Something to mull over next time you see one of those miracle products pop up in your feed.